Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video, and today we're talking all about some advanced framing and composition techniques. So look, if you haven't watched my previous video covering 4 framing and composition techniques for beginners, this is just Composition 101, and be sure to check that out. You can watch that up there, and I'll put a link to it in the description of this video. Now today, as I mentioned, we're taking things to the next level. We know the basics now when it comes to framing and composition, but how can we improve on that? Well, today we're going to be talking about combining multiple framing and composition techniques, and we're also going to be adding camera movements. It's really important to remember, okay, when you pick up a camera and press record, it's not just about having nice framing and composition at the start of your clip. If you're going to be moving your camera, try and keep good composition throughout and end on a nice composition. Okay, so let me show you an example, okay? Take this shot here. I shot this clip last week. It was a behind the scenes shoot on the UK Calendar Girls cover shoot. Yes, it was an Avengers theme. I'll explain more about that in a future video where I'll also be breaking down some handheld camera movement techniques. But today, let's keep it all about framing and composition. Now, as you can see, I've placed my subject to the right-hand side using the rule of thirds. I've also used the tail of this helicopter for some leading lines just to help draw the eye. So I'm stacking multiple framing and composition techniques on top of each other. Now, when the camera starts to move, and as I've stressed in this video, it's really important to try and keep good composition. So I'm always thinking about this when I'm moving my camera. And as you can see, the camera moves back, but now notice how my subject has moved from the right-hand side to the left-hand side, still using the rule of thirds. And now look at the tail of that helicopter. The leading lines are now accentuated because the shot is much wider. So we've used multiple framing and composition techniques, we've added camera movement, and we've kept a good composition throughout. So look, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, let me know by giving it the old thumbs up, and if you'd like to watch more content like this, learn more about video production, then you can do that by clicking over there and watching one of those videos. But look, that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.